Okay, this is actually challenge number 6, so I'll fix that in a moment. But challenge number 6, skateboard design, you're going to design a skateboard. So I designed one up here at the top. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see some designs, some student designs. So this is going to be a little bit similar to the last challenge, but you're going to be designing on the skateboard. So you are going to, I have a template for it, and then you're going to add images. You are also going to add text. Notice how some of the pictures, you can kind of see that they're getting cut off. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google. Think of a theme, have a theme. Don't just have any random pictures like I did summer fun. If you look down here, you'll notice here's a winter theme, Chicago sports, kind of like cool and retro, out of this world. So spaceships and stuff. Oh, it actually looks like sharks and things like that. Fire and skulls and all that, and then soccer or football. Okay, so first thing you do, go find some images, download them. If you want to remove the background, you can put them into remove.bg and do it that way. Otherwise, you can do it in Photoshop later. You're going to download this skateboard template, so you'll click on this skateboard template. I actually already downloaded it, but you'll click on the download folder here so it downloads, and then you'll go into Photoshop, click open your skateboard mockup. Let's right away right click on our background, duplicate our layer. I would like you to call it deck because this is your skate deck, and click OK. And then let's go ahead and hide our background layer. Okay, that's all in the instructions. So download, go to Google, find your images, open Photoshop, open the skateboard image, duplicate your layer, name it deck, hide your original layer. Okay, so we're going to be on step 3. From your toolbar, we're going to do the color now. We're going to make the color of our skate deck. We're going to select the magic wand tool. It's the 4th one down. Okay, and then when you click on it, you're going to see some dancing lines around the skateboard. Then you know it's selected. Okay, so I'm going to go to Photoshop. The 4th tool down, you're going to see it looks like these squares, like the object select. Hold your mouse down on it and go to your magic wand and click on the skate deck. Okay, you're going to see these little dancing lines, like the little kind of dancing ants, dancing lines. Down here in the bottom left corner, click on your color and choose a background color for your skateboard. So whatever color you want to make your skateboard, I was just going to make mine yellow. And then to find your paint bucket, about halfway down your toolbar, you're going to find the gradient button right here. It's gradient. Hold your mouse down on it, and you're going to see the paint bucket tucked in there. And then use your paint bucket to click, and it will turn your skate deck whatever color it is that you chose. We want to get rid of the dancing lines, so we want to deselect our skate deck. You do that by doing Control D for deselect, Control D. I also, as you know, always like to go back to my move tool on my toolbar so that if anything weird happens, I don't accidentally press something that shouldn't be pressed or whatever, okay? So let's go back to the instructions and see what's next. Okay, so we clicked on the skateboard to select it. We chose a background color. I clicked the paint bucket. I clicked on the skateboard. I did Control D. We are done with this section. We are down to adding the images. We're going to do place embedded. We should have all of our images saved already. If you don't, this is a good time to go back to Google, find your images. So one at a time. File, place embedded. And then I have my summer images down here, so I'll start with the watermelon. I already know my watermelon still has the background on it. So a few different methods. You can do remove background down here. I can do select subject and then backspace away the background. I can also use my magic wand. I'm going to click on the background. I'm going to hit backspace. It's going to tell me I cannot use the magic wand because the smart object is not directly editable. We've talked about this already. If that ever comes up, you have to rasterize your layer or your image. That makes it editable. So rasterize your layer. Now if I hit backspace, I can move this toolbar too. Notice the background's gone. I can Control D to deselect. I'm going back to my move tool on the toolbar. I can size this to whatever size I want it. I can rotate it and whatever. Okay, I'm going to leave a little bit hanging off the edges because I want to show you how to clip that later. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to bring in one more image just so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So place embedded again, file, place embedded. Let's try the little dancing monkey. Okay. And let's place that. I'm gonna click my check mark. I need to remove the background again. I'll just hit remove background down here. Let's see if it works. That did not work, did it? So I'm gonna Control Z that away. I'm gonna try my magic wand again and let's see what happens. I'm gonna click on the white part. I'm gonna hit backspace. Oh, I have to rasterize. Right click, rasterize layer, backspace. That looks good. Control D to deselect. Go back to my move tool. I'm going to rotate this image a little bit, and I'm going to leave this hanging off there a little bit as well. Okay, now notice parts of my images are hanging off of the side. Okay, that's okay if you have that. Watch this cool thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and hide my monkey. I'm going to hide my watermelon. I'm going to select my deck layer. I'm going to go back to my magic wand. I'm going to click the white so that my background is selected. Okay, I'm going to go back and turn on my watermelon. I'm going to select my watermelon layer. And if you look at your keyboard, I don't want you to hit backspace. I want you to find the key that says delete and hit delete, and it will delete anything that was hanging off the sides. I'm going to unhide, unhide my monkey layer. I'm going to select my monkey layer. I'm going to hit delete on the keyboard, and anything hanging off the sides also gets cut off. So it kind of just stays within the confines of that skate deck. I'm going to Control D to deselect. Then I would have to go to T. I'm going to add my text now. So I'm going to click T for text. I'm going to draw a text box. I'm going to backspace whatever letters are there away. I'm going to change my color because I can't have yellow text and yellow background. That would not work. Okay, and I'm going to type the words summer. I'm going to hit enter, summer fun. I'm going to do some customizing here. I'm going to change my alignment to center. I'm going to change my font because I don't really think this looks like a summer font. So I don't know, maybe let's try one of these little cool ones here. Let's try that one right there. I'm sorry, my computer's lagging, so just bear with me. Let's see if it'll let me pick that one. Come on. Ugh, it doesn't want me to switch fonts. Come on. All right, I'm a little bit frozen here. Let's see. Yeah, it froze. Okay, so basically, oh, it just closed Photoshop on me. I think that you can finish this without me finishing the rest of the video. So basically, you think it'll open again? Let's see. Let's see if it saved. Let's see if it has my file still there or if it got rid of it. Come on, Photoshop. You want to work. You want to work. Oh, it didn't. Okay, it didn't. So basically, let me just open this old one, okay? Add your text, customize your text, and then you know the deal. When you're done, save as, name it. So whatever you're going to name it, you should save it to your files. I'm going to cancel this. Save it to your files, and then file, export. Quick export as PNG, and then you can go ahead and submit this. If you want to do any filters, you can do filters, whatever you want to do. Just make it look nice, okay? All right, that's it. Good luck.